We are going to go through 100 daily English conversations. I'll say them slowly, clearly, and I want you to listen and repeat after me. Don't rush. Take your time. Feel the sentences and try to sound natural. If you practice with me every day, I promise your English will start to feel easier, more confident, and more real. All right, let's get started. Hey, how are you doing today? I'm good. Just a little tired, honestly. Work was crazy. Did you eat yet? Not yet. I've been so busy, I forgot I'm starving now. What are you up to? Nothing much, just relaxing and scrolling on my phone. Why do you look so happy today? I don't know. It's just one of those good days, you know. Are you coming with us tonight? I want to, but I might be too tired. Let me see how I feel later. Did you finish your work? Almost. I just have one more thing to do. Where are you right now? I'm outside, just getting some fresh air. Why didn't you reply earlier? Oh, I saw your message, but I got distracted. My bad. Do you need help with that? Yeah, actually I do. I've been struggling with it. What's wrong? Nothing serious. I'm just not in the mood today. Did you sleep well? Not really. I kept waking up all night. Are you busy right now? A little, but I can talk for a minute. Why are you late? Traffic was insane. I couldn't move for like 20 minutes. Do you want coffee? Yes, please. I really need it today. Have you seen my keys? No, I haven't. Did you check the table? What time are you leaving? In about 10 minutes? I just need to grab my jacket. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just a little stressed. Do you like this place? Yeah, it's nice. Very calm and peaceful. Why are you so quiet? I'm just thinking. A lot on my mind right now. Did you call him? No. I wasn't sure what to say. Are you hungry? A little. I could eat something light. What do you want to eat? I don't know. Maybe something simple like rice or chicken. Did you watch that movie? Yeah, it was actually really good. Why didn't you come yesterday? I wasn't feeling well. I had a headache. Do you work tomorrow? Yeah, early morning. I'm not ready for it. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm not joking this time. Can I ask you something? Of course, go ahead. What are you thinking about? Just life, trying to figure things out. Do you miss him? Yeah, more than I expected. Why are you laughing? You wouldn't understand. It's just something funny I remembered. Did you finish eating? Yeah, I'm full now. Where are we going? I'm not sure. Let's just drive and see. Are you coming back later? Yeah. I'll be back before night. What happened? Nothing big, just a small mistake. Do you trust him? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Why are you in a hurry? I'm running late. I don't want to miss it. Did you hear that? Yeah, that sounded weird. Are you ready? Almost. Give me a second. Do you like your job? It's okay. Not my dream, but it pays the bills. Why did you do that? I thought it was the right thing at the time. Can you wait for me? Yeah, I'll wait right here. What's your plan today? Honestly, no plan. Just going with the flow. Did you bring it? Yes, I didn't forget this time. Why are you smiling? I just got some good news. Do you need anything? No, I'm good, thank you. What's your favorite food? Probably pasta. I never get tired of it. Did you understand what he said? Not really. He was speaking too fast. Are you cold? A little. I should have brought a jacket. Why are you here so early? I wanted to avoid traffic. Do you believe him? I'm not sure. Something feels off. If you want next step, this is where your channel really grows. I can turn all 100 into 30-minute YouTube lesson. Slow teacher voice plus repetition. Vocabulary explanations inside. Repeat after me sections. Just say, make full lesson script, and I'll build it ready to record. Are you still awake? Yeah, I can't sleep. Too much on my mind tonight. Did you lock the door? Wait, let me check again. I don't remember. Why are you so quiet today? I don't know. I just feel a little off. Do you want to talk about it? Maybe. I just need a moment first. Are you ready to go? Almost. I just need my shoes. Did you eat something? Yeah, just a small snack. Nothing heavy. Why didn't you answer my call? I was in the shower. I couldn't pick up. Do you like this weather? Yeah, it feels calm. I like it. Are you okay now? I'm better. Thanks for asking. What took you so long? I got stuck talking to someone. You know how it goes. Did you miss me? Of course, more than you think. Are you serious right now? Yes, I'm not playing. Why are you acting like that? I'm not acting. I'm just being honest. Do you want to go out or stay in? Let's stay in. I'm not in the mood to go out. Did you bring your charger? Oh no, I forgot it at home. Are you tired? Yeah, it's been a long day. What are you looking for? My phone. I just had it a second ago. Do you hear that noise? Yeah, it's coming from outside. Why are you smiling at your phone? Just reading something funny. Are you coming tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be there. Did you understand everything? Not really. Can you explain again, slowly? What do you mean by that? I mean, it's not as simple as it looks. Are you free this weekend? I think so. I don't have any plans yet. Why didn't you tell me earlier? I didn't know how to say it. Do you trust me? I do. That's why I'm here. Are you still working? Yeah. I've got a few things left to finish. What do you want from me? Just honesty? Nothing more. Did you see that? Yeah, that was crazy. Why are you so excited? I've been waiting for this all week. Are you hungry now? Yeah, let's get something to eat. Did you clean your room? Not yet. I'll do it later. What are you doing later? Probably just resting. I need it. Why are you stressed? I've got too many things to handle at once. Do you need a break? Yeah, I really do. Are you listening to me? Yeah. Sorry, I just got distracted for a second. Did you finish the assignment? Not yet. I'm still working on it. What time is it? It's almost 8. We're running late. Why are you whispering? I don't want anyone to hear us. Do you feel better now? Yeah, talking helped. Are you sure about this? I think so. It feels right. Did you forget something? Yeah, my wallet. I have to go back. Why are you laughing so hard? That was just too funny. I can't stop. Do you like surprises? Sometimes. Depends on what it is. Are you coming or not? I'm coming. Relax. I'm on my way. What's your problem? I don't have a problem. I just need space. Did you hear from him? No, he hasn't replied yet. Why are you worried? I have a bad feeling about this. Do you want me to stay? Yeah, please stay a little longer. Are you done? Yeah, I'm finished. Did you enjoy it? I did. It was actually really nice. All right. That's it for today. You just practiced 100 real English conversations, and that's powerful. Don't worry if you didn't understand everything the first time. That's normal. Go back, listen again, and repeat with me slowly. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. If this helped you, make sure you keep coming back. We're going to keep improving together. And remember, don't be afraid to speak. Even if it's not perfect, just speak. I'll see you in the next lesson. The most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I always upload useful English lessons.